What makes Altitude unique from other agencies is really the atmosphere that we create. It's a group of people that love what they do and truly respect the people next to them.
Altitude is a B2B integrated marketing agency. So we provide brand and strategy development, website and creative, content, digital marketing, social media, and trade show support.
We serve primarily companies in the life sciences, in manufacturing, and enterprise software who are really looking for a partner to help them take their business to the next level.
In B2B, you have to work in these really complex targeting models where you're matching demographic and behavioral information, making sure that you have the right people at the right target at the right time in the right micro moment. We really love working on the technical stuff. When it gets weird, we just get started.
It's all about being data-driven, being strategic, putting that information first and using great creative to support it.
We really thrive in the niche spaces. The types of businesses that are really tough to explain to a layman, we explain.
We like to think of ourselves as an extension of their team, complementing and supplementing what they do internally by layering on our expertise, our bandwidth, our skills to help make them the best that they can be.
We're getting real results for real companies every single day. We've done it for over 300 companies over the course of 18 years.
Altitude is in the best possible location.
We are ideally situated here. We can hop on a flight, be just about anywhere. We can fly our clients in from all over the world and have them at our office in about an hour after they touch down. And we're able to recruit some amazing talent.
We are able to deliver New York level, London level, Paris level, Tokyo level service here in Emmaus, Pennsylvania.
Altitude is a team full of world-class designers, developers, strategic minds, great salespeople, and great people all around.
The culture of Altitude, it really is who we are. Our team enjoys coming to work every day. They take a lot of pride in the work that they do, and they have fun working together.
We believe that if we focus on our employees, we focus on our team, they're going to focus on our clients.
I wanted to create a company that if I didn't own it, I would still want to come to work here. I am just amazed at what we've built. It takes a small army to do what we're doing, but I still want to come to work every single day.